Using affiliate marketing tips and pointers below. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make extra money from the comforts of your own home. However, if you want to start, you might have questions and don't know where to begin. This video is full of simple tips and tricks that will not only answer your questions, but guide you to success through affiliate marketing. You should only promote affiliate products that add value to your visitors' lives. Promoting inferior products just to make a quick buck is one of the fastest ways to lose trust with your readers. Once that trust is broken, it is impossible to regain. However, if you focus on providing value in the products you recommend, your readers will come to trust your recommendations and will continue to buy from you again and again. Recording videos demonstrating a product can greatly increase your amount of customers. Once you develop loyal followers of your marketing videos, you can then sell the affiliate content more assertively. If you create engaging and informative content, customers are much more likely to develop an affinity for your product. After you get your foot in the door with affiliate marketing, you shouldn't rest on your laurels. Begin seeking out new opportunities and expand your horizons. Make another blog or add another domain to your host server and interlink your site so that your current customers can check out your new venture. Provide good quality, useful content on your affiliate website. If you provide visitors with well-written, helpful videos and product reviews, they will be more likely to trust you. Once you have earned the trust of your website visitors, you have a much better chance of persuading them to buy a product via your affiliate link. Take your time and try different approaches to figure out the best way to promote your affiliate links. Don't just take the first option you see. Study the different choices carefully and test out different ads to see which ones get the best results. Rotating your ads frequently can help draw more attention. Avoid exclusivity agreements at all costs. Some companies put clauses in their affiliate contracts that prevent you from linking to competing products, or sometimes any other product, on the site where you link to its products. While this might make the affiliate company a lot of money, it will have a negative effect on your income. Affiliate marketing can be very profitable, but only if you put in your valuable time and effort to make your site attractive to your readers. If your reader notices that you are getting lazy and skimping on quality, they will most likely not come back. Only through quality content will you truly meet success. Student loan.